I'm Dr. Krishnanandini. I'm from Bangalore and I've just attended the ALS course. I got to know about this course from Go Campus and they have signed me up for it. The ALS course by the European Resuscitation team was very, very good. I learned quite a bit from the course. They taught us about how to do the BLS as well as the ALS, and with the ALS we learned the proper protocol that we follow in the hospital-based systems. So this course is very, very informative for me.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Mansa. I recently completed my PLAB 1 and booked PLAB 2 on April 9th. I got to know about the ALS course from Go Campus, and it's a very wonderful course, and even the doctors who have taught us were very, it's a joyful and interactive one. It's an amazing one, and I would recommend anyone who wants to enter into emergency medicine or orthopedic trauma to get into ALS, because it will give you a glimpse of what you're supposed to do as an ALS provider.
Hello, this is Dr. Sharita, and I'm been here to take the ALS course, and it's been a 2 days course, and this was important for me through my PLAB journey I have been through. So I have completed my PLAB 1 and PLAB 2, and this is important because we have the criteria to do the jobs, and this is one of the desirable criteria for that. So that is why I'm taking this ALS course, and this is very great that we are having this course from Research UK Council in the India, and we don't have all the hassle to go to UK and take the ALS course. We can do it here itself from the Go Campus, and it's very good that we can do it in India. And coming to the course, it was good. It was a 2 days course, and the teachers or the professors, they were friendly and they taught us very well on the first day, and they made us the tension free, and they made us trained for the test, and then the test was also fine, and yeah, the teaching was good and it was enlightening, and they made us all tension free, and yeah, then that course happened and it was good.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rabiur Rahman. I completed my studies in Bulgaria, so I came to know about ALS course. I've been trying to get into the UK, got a GMC registration, so I wanted to do the ALS course, and I heard about this team, so it was so I just joined the course. This course was super amazing. The team, everyone, they actually helped us a lot. It was they took us in total ease. I was so stressed about it in the beginning, but the course it was so fabulous. It was amazing.